is their ability to copy sounds, and they use this as a form of social communication in the wild. Now, the elephant in Amazon is famous for its ability to mimic human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? So let's start with something simple first. How about a nice hello? Hello. There you go, very nice and sweet hello. Can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to meet all these nice people? How are you? Are you? Very polite bird indeed. Now not only that, Amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Hang on. What number did he miss?
7.
6. Okay, 6 and 7. Amigo, you can't teach it, okay? You've got to count from 1 to 10. One more time. Okay, let's count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Amigo. Well done. Now this time is going to count for us in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is very good in Chinese. And not only that, Amigo also loves to sing. And he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local Mandarin song called Current Lai, which means a guest comes to visit. Now Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Current Lai, Tan Pa Pa, Pa Pa, Good Day, Ya, Good. From Indonesia, it's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Now this time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat Luna, sayang, sayang. Hey, what a chirpy song. But before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Let's start from the first section. Nobody? How about the middle? Birthday 1? Okay, anyone else? Birthday 1 from the middle. How about the last section? Birthday 2. So for the 2 of you, I hope I did not miss out on anyone. Oh, 3 right up there. This song is for you. Amigo.